Today's tutorial, how to embed images with data URIs in C#. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to embed images directly into your HTML using data URIs and then render them into a PDF with IronPDF in C#. First thing we're going to do is download and install IronPDF from the NuGet Package Manager. Just search for IronPDF and then add it to your project. Next, you're going to go ahead and open your program.cs file, and at the top, add the IronPDF namespace and then set your license key. We start by reading the image file as bytes from disk, for example, a PNG file. This gives us the raw binary data of the image. Then convert those bytes to a base64 string and prepend the appropriate data URI header like data image/PNG base64. And this creates a complete data URI that can be embedded right inside an HTML document. Next, we build a simple HTML snippet with the tag whose src attribute is set to our data URI string. And this means the image is self-contained within the HTML, no separate file needed. We pass this HTML string to the Chrome PDF renderer, which renders it exactly as a browser would, including the embedded images. And then finally, we save the resulting PDF to disk. The PDF will display the embedded image without needing any external files whatsoever. All right, so let's run the application and wait for it to generate the file. All right, there you go. And you successfully embedded an image as a data URI and rendered it into a PDF document using IronPDF. With IronPDF, you can do much more than embedding images, obviously from creating PDFs from complex HTML and CSS to merging, splitting, and editing PDF files. It's the complete PDF toolkit for .NET. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for the trial on our site, continue, download, and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.